Hello and welcome. Jenna here, giving you a virtual walkthrough of my show Momentum at the Ohio Valley Art League. If you're interested in purchasing artwork, take a look at this slide, and I'll show this again at the end. But we're just going to kind of walk through these photo. Okay, this one's a photo. There's photos, paintings, original artwork. This is a digital print called Cross Fusion, a 24 by 36. This is a 16 by 20 mixed media with spray paint, honeycomb, oil, different things on canvas. And we're doing a digital walkthrough because, that's why. All art shows, all things are canceled until further notice. This is oil on wood. It's called Unity Circle, 16 by 20. This is a 12 by 12 oil painting. It's got a lot of texture in it, very thick, called Textured Warmth. By me. These are all by me. This is my solo show that's hanging up now until I think January, I want to say, 8th. There it is. And this is the future. Digital print on paper and matted and framed. There I am in a mask. This is called Silver Atrium. This is done with PBO paints. And this one is sold, so you cannot buy this piece. It's a 24 by 36 PBO paints on plexiglass. Yeah, I love this one. I'm so happy that it's sold, but also a little bit like, I wanted to come back to my house. No, it's good. I need room for more artwork. The more you buy, the more I can make art, so yay, buy lots of art. This one's a 16 by 20. It's a spray paint oil on wood called Unity Ring. And this is a diptych that's also sold. It's 2 hand paintings. And then this one, my mom said she wanted, so I guess hands off. She's like, I want that. But yeah, if you are interested in one of these pieces, either check out the very beginning or the very ending, where I'll link Jordan Miracle's contact information for the Ohio Valley Art League. And this is the one that I want no one to buy. Do not buy this. I mean it. It's coming back to my house. This is one I made in Cincinnati. It smelled my entire apartment up, and I learned not to do PBOs in the house, but I so love this one. It is absolutely huge. I don't even know how big. It just barely fits in cars. It's called Kitchen because that's where it's going back. Don't even think about it. This one's a digital print on canvas, Beyond. I have this one on journals and a couple other places as well. This is another one of my hand paintings, the very first one actually. This was Sean Little was my model for this, and he helped me drip paint off of his hand. This is an original spray paint with, I made some digital honeycombed pieces, and then I cut them out, some stencils, so that was fun to make those. We've got another PBO. This was in the Arts Council exhibition about the cosmos, and I feel it also looks like agate, those really pretty rocks when you bust them open. Yeah, it's cosmos. It's for sale. It's about the cosmos. Yeah, that's huge. I think it's 30 by 40. It's cool. I like it. Oh, you can pause it if you want to read my artist bio, but there's a lot of words. No, just kidding. This is a 2 foot by 4 foot painting. You should read it. It's a tempera on wood. This was on the cover of Brainchild magazine. That one's huge, so if you need it shipped, good luck. That's not my problem because this is at a gallery. That's always nice to be like, yeah, good luck shipping that. But I know some of these pieces are being shipped, so they can be shipped to you. And these two are oil on framed canvases, and they're PBO paints. I love working with them, just like the way they flow and the texture and all sorts of things. This one I made with acrylic paint only on canvas, and I have no idea how to make it again. So maybe don't buy this one because it could come back to my house and hang out with me. Or if you want to adopt an artwork, that's cool too, because that would be great. And then all of my artworks can have new homes and I can make new things. Yay! All right, we've got Red Fuse here, another PBO painting. Lots of PBOs this time around. A lot of originals. Yeah, $35 for an original artwork by me. What? Talk about crazy. There you go. Get yours now. Honeycomb's Desire. Oh, Demise. I think I like Desire better. We should change that title. This one was at the USI art show. I think twice. I think this has been displayed twice already. So someone bought it already. I keep lowering the price. It's really tall. I want to say it's like 1 by 6 foot. This one's 16 by 20. And it's a floral lobster because obviously those are lobsters. kidding. Art's fun. And then you get to make silly titles. And this is another one where I cut out some different stencils and messed around for a while and played with stuff, and ta-da! Square dance. I love this gallery shot. And this is open to the public, so you can come on in, wear your face masks, check out the address that I have coming up in just a few seconds. It's coming! Yeah, see, you can come in and look at the artwork in real life. See how big that is? There's the address. Yeah, 230 2nd Street, Henderson, Kentucky. It's open, I would say, on a 9 to 5-ish basis. Look up the hours before they go, just in case. But yeah, here's just a quick run through of all the images with their tags right next to them. These were so fun! Oh, I like this one and the reflection in it. It's hard to get a good picture of this, but that's why it's in the video. Yeah, and there's people's cars that are outside. The natural light in here is beautiful, by the way. What a pretty place for a gallery space. And nice and public. This does not have creepy eyes. Again, reflections. I hope you've enjoyed this virtual walkthrough of my art show. I'm sorry you can't have a party in person with me there, but if you do want to meet one-on-one, I would welcome that. You know how to get a hold of me through the internet, and I will talk to you soon. I hope you've enjoyed this show, and thanks for watching. Enjoy! I'm just gonna sit quietly till it's over. I've ran out of things to say. And remember, don't forget to adopt an artwork and take one home with you today! And here is how. Find out now. Visit this thing. Call now. And become a member. Thanks for watching. Bye!